Hi, boys and girls. We're on number 3 today, so take out set number 2 of your numbers worksheet. So when we make the number 3, we are going to use the rainbow curve. We're going to put our finger a small step down from the top line at 10 o'clock and make a rainbow curve the way that we read and write. Let's look at how we make the entire number. We put our finger a small step down from the top line at 10 o'clock. We make a rainbow curve the way that we read and write, and we come around to the middle line. And then we do it again to the writing line. Again, we put our finger a small step down from the top line at 10 o'clock and make a rainbow curve the way that we read and write and come around to the middle line. And then we do it again to the writing line. So now we're going to make the number 3. First one, we're going to do a rainbow curve. Small step down, 10 o'clock, and rainbow curve around the way we read and write. Then you're going to practice your number 3. Put a small step down at 10 o'clock, rainbow curve around to the middle line, and then do it again. On this line, you're going to practice your number 3s. Go slow and do it very nicely. On the middle house lines, we're going to practice 1. 1 is a tall line down from the top line to the writing line. Then you're going to practice the number 2. Remember, that's a small step down from the writing line at 10 o'clock. Rainbow curve up, down the steps, and easy across. So you can practice writing your 2s here. And then again your 3s. And the bottom line is the same numbers. Remember to take your time and do your best. On the next page, you are going to count all of the creatures in each square and write the number on the line. Now you're going to be looking for 1, 2, or 3 creatures or insects. Thank you. When you're done, take a picture and send it to your teacher. Good job today.